Good day everyone and welcome to episode 6 of Learn, Invest, Earn. My name is Soundarya Lakshmi Narayanan. Take a piece of paper and write down your short-term goals and long-term goals. Your short-term goals can be something like buying your favorite mobile phone, buying your favorite laptop, etc. Your long-term goals can be something like planning your retirement, etc. So once you have written down your short-term and long-term goals, understand the amount of money which will be required in order to achieve your short-term goals and long-term goals. Well, to achieve short-term goals and long-term goals, we need some amount of money, right? But which investment type should I invest in for my retirement? Which investment type should I invest in to buy a laptop? Both will vary. The types of investments that you should go for will vary depending on your short-term goals and long-term goals. Let me bring back the risk and rewards table to help you understand this. One of your goals might be retirement planning. As long as you're employed, you will get a monthly salary using which you can take care of your monthly and yearly expenses. But what is your life after that? How are you going to take care of your expenses? Well, with the rising amount of inflation, you could have understood that fixed deposits and savings account is not going to put you in a very comfortable financial position in the future. So if you're young now, start investing in mutual funds as a beginner and slowly move towards investing in shares, so that you will have a sizable corpus during your retirement. For some of you, the goal might be tax saving. With investment types like Public Provident Fund, National Pension Scheme, Employee Provident Fund, you can save up to 1.5 lakhs of tax every year. And the interest that you get for your PPF is totally tax-free. If you look at the risk and rewards table, you can understand the amount of returns that you can actually get from each of these investment types. But if you are investing in fixed deposits, you will be levied a tax of 10% if your rate of returns exceed rupees 40,000 a year. Your goal might be financial freedom. It is my goal as well. But then for the past 15 years, if you have seen different types of investment, mostly shares have provided at least 15 to 20% of returns in the past 20 years. So if we can invest in shares now itself when we are young, then it will have a very compounding effect in the future. So if your goal is financial freedom, investing in shares can make sure that we can double, triple or even quadruple our money that we are investing. Number 4 is reaching your financial goals. Let's take an example of Mr. Puneet, who wants to buy a decent car in the next 10 years. He starts to invest 1,20,000 rupees every year in mutual funds, and after 10 years looking at his return using the risk and rewards table, I think he can buy a very good car like Swift and still have some amount of money to spend. So understand what are your financial goals and take investment decisions based on them. Use the SMART technique to understand your financial goals: specific, measurable, attainable, realistic and time bound. For example, I want to buy a car worth 10 lakhs in the next 5 years. So if I have a very clear goal, a crystal clear goal, I will have a good plan, an investment plan to move towards that goal. I'm pretty sure all of you have understood the importance of goals in investment. We are going to discuss about tax that will be levied on your investments in the next video. So do watch the next video. Before that, subscribe to the channel, give this video a huge thumbs up and share it with everybody in your circle. And also comment below what is your investing goal. See you all in the next video.